Hopefully, you'll be awake wherever you are in the world. In South African time, I don't think I'll be awake, but here's a little bit of a sneak peek about the Australian dollar USD trade that I promised you. By the way, feel free to go to the market outlook, which we did yesterday, and tell me if it went well for you or it didn't. But I think I don't watch myself. I just watch the charts and do everything. So I'm thinking hopefully you would have find those insights and probably those trades why the market went the way it did. I'm not gonna say that I was right or I was wrong. I think I've practiced enough. I've learned enough to know that I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm talking about when I'm speaking about the markets. So here goes the Australian dollar US dollar trade, which I promised you. As you know, every single week where we begin our trade analysis on the weekly time frame. So hopefully, what we want over here, we want an entry to take out these two relative equal highs. Now, how do you think we're going to get it? I think it's pretty much simple. We get the 50% of this, but if you look at at the left, you can see that there's an inversion fair value gap. Um, Hopefully, let me point it out to you. This gap right here. This gap right here, we call this an inversion fair value gap. So you would look at the target to target, come here, and then get the entry, take out these two relative equal highs. um, I wouldn't hold my breath though, but that's what I would like the markets to do. First tank here and then up. But in order for you to get the 50%, I think you're gonna have to minus this little one and then focus only on getting it here. I'll show you why. Because you need the markets to come. I think this is a somewhat of a propulsion block over here. You might need it for you to come to the 50%, and then it goes up for taking out these two guys out of the way, so hopefully when you study more about price action and everything else, you will know this. So like I've said, come back here, there's a gap, there's another block, maybe tank it here, and then get your entry up. That's what I'm hoping for. And then if you look at the 4 hour, this structure right here has been violated, broken nicely to the downside. Now it's retracing, and hopefully CPI takes it here, and then you get your first entry. Immediately on CPI, you can get your sell over here, and then you can get your buys over here if you are a pending order kind of a person. But if you're going to be waiting for the markets to do what it does, like me, because I like to do market orders, then yeah, hopefully you can get it over then and make it take it up there. So as you look at the 1 hour, the reason why we're saying that I'm feeling a little bit of a confidence, of a touch of confidence, but I'm not saying everybody should be as this confident. All I'm saying is it should just come here. As I've seen this, this is called accumulation. We need manipulation and maybe a bit of distribution with those relative equal highs over here on the daily. So hopefully you find this insightful, and you trade with a little bit better mind. If you don't want to take the sell, which is much more riskier, you can wait for it to come back down, and then take it up, or whatever the case. Whatever, you can wait for it to come here, and then take it up. You can either buy, get the sell, or get the buy. So it's really up to you. The market obviously does one thing, and if you're looking at it right now, you can see that it's been respecting this gap over here. So possibly it's playing around. It's it's playing around this. I can dive deep. I can dive up deep about the order flow, that this is supporting this. This is doing this. I can go on divergence by looking at the New Zealand dollar. But all of that, I'm gonna leave it to you to do and study for yourself. Don't just don't take my word for it. So hopefully see you at 9:30 if you you're in the US or anywhere around the world. But if you're using the US time, hopefully see you at 9:30. But me, as I'm in South Africa, um, I'm not promising anything. But I'm thinking 3:30 I might be up. Yeah, it's 3:30 in the morning. So maybe I'll be asleep, maybe not. Maybe I'll wake up. So yeah, I might be looking at it, and then hopefully screenshots will be sent. Maybe not me taking the trade, but me showing that trying. I know what I'm doing. If you want it, maybe you can place your stop loss over here. Yeah, you might place your stop loss over here. I might place it here. You might place it here. Last level here. So yeah, I think those are the three levels, because you're gonna be using the Asian range. Possibly, maybe this is the Asian range. So I'm thinking that maybe this is gonna come here, and then maybe somewhere here, two, maybe three. So it's definitely up to you what standard deviations you use, or what how to protect your stop loss. I don't know, but I'll just have to carry you with like I'm carrying a baby. Um, but it's all for showing that how to manage your risk. You can look, if it takes out this, try to manage this one. But if it comes, but if the CPI numbers come before and takes out this, know very well that you're in for a sell. You can be very, very confident about that sell, because it would have already taken out these two guys. If it comes and takes out these two guys over here on the 1 hour, then I think you're in for a turtle soup short. So I'd be very, very confident if it takes out this one and two liquidities, because I know that it's gonna be a nice sell off. If it can come up and take out these two guys, I know that it's a sell off. It's a definite sell. I won't even ask how much you have, or whatever amount you think you have. I don't think I would not trade it if it takes out those two liquidities. If it takes out these two liquidities that we're targeting. So I'm pretty much confident. I'm confident because of the sell. This is a short-term low. It didn't take out this one. It didn't take out this one. So just I can literally like look at this chart and be happy and trade many things. See this? I can talk about many things on this chart, but just not to waste your time. I'll be looking. If I were looking, I would start with the sell, and then later with the buy. Yeah, and then maybe hopefully when it's you will get the other analysis why I'm thinking of that. Yeah, on Wednesday tomorrow. But I don't think it's a good day to trade tomorrow, because there's nothing else other than the Australian dollar CPI news. I don't think there's a lot to trade. The trading, I think, starts on a Thursday and Friday, so hopefully we get those trades, and then we chill. Yeah, but these are just intraday intraday things. Even the Monday one was just an intraday trades. So yeah, hopefully I've shown you risk management, how to manage your risk, how to do it. So yeah, you too, just do it the way I teach you how to do it. Yeah, hopefully you find this one very very likable to your trading palette, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.